Okay, I just got some old shoes here that starting to come apart a little bit. Gonna try to fix those up. Do it myself, save a little money. Shoe glue. Piece of wood. Toothpicks.
He works a lot and he works away from home. He'll be like dog traveling. And then he comes home, sometimes he's home for a few weeks, sometimes he's only home for 3 days. And then he's gone again. He goes all over the world.
This thin bendable piece is really working good.
All of your uncles work. Okay, I don't know anyone who doesn't work. I literally don't know anyone that is young. Thank you. That doesn't work. Because no, you know what I mean. That's an adult. Working. I don't know anyone that's just rich. Like, yeah. That is just rich where they can live, have a good life, and no job. I don't know anyone.
How am I gonna get it to stay together? Probably go put it in a vise. I'll do that to the other side too and then go to the vise.